Hi everyone, this is Brian from A1 CRM. Following on from our previous video, this video will show you how to create another chart that we consider to be one of the essentials from the get-go, leads in progress. So as previously, we start by clicking on the Analytics tab, and then we want to choose Lead Analytics. And almost certainly we've run out of components that we can add because we can only add 10 per dashboard. And sure enough, it pops up saying only 10. If that ever happens, you just click the plus sign next to the dashboards in the top left corner and create a new dashboard name. This time we will call it Leads Even More. Save the dashboard, and we're going to add a component. It's just going to be a chart, a quick chart like last time, and this time it's going to be called Leads in Progress. Select the module Leads. For now, we won't choose any other related modules. There are certain gotchas if you do that, so we'll talk about that in another video. The grouping this time will be on lead status. And we'll add a filter because we don't want to have every lead status in there. And you'll see why in a moment. So we need those ones that are actually in progress. We don't want junk leads because junk leads are ones you've already decided are not worth following up. We don't want lost leads because they've been lost for one reason or another. We don't want not contacted because they are covered in the other chart that we created earlier. We don't want not qualified because they also have gone through the qualification process. And pre-qualified will do. Okay, so let's save that and see what happens. So we've got 3 bars in this chart, but normally you would want this to be in alphabetical order. So let's go back to edit, just have a look at more options in the bottom left corner and sort by, and we'll make it label ascending. Now there's only a few options here, label ascending, label descending, so that's in other words the x-axis. You could have value ascending, so that's the y-axis, and it will show a rising bar from left to right, and value descending is the opposite, of course. We'll just go for label ascending for now. Now the problem with this is it's only going to put it in alphabetical order, so to make it more meaningful and to show a progression from left to right, I often put numbers like 1.0, 2.0, etc. And the reason I put the 0.0 is if you add another status later on, rather than having to renumber everything, you can just squeeze it between 2 existing numbers. So that's all there is to creating the component. Now let's see what we do with the home page. So we go back to the home page. We want to add component. We choose it from a dashboard. Now this time you will see, because it's a new dashboard, it's right at the bottom. So we'll choose Leads in Progress Even More. And that's all there is to it. Now we have leads in progress along with our leads not followed up, absolutely starting points for every organization. And if you want to contact us further, then by all means do so. You can call us on one of the phone numbers at the top of our web page, a1crm.net, either New Zealand or Australia. Thanks. Bye.